Hey guys, welcome to Walk Tech. Today I'm going to show you creative ideas that will take your home to the next level. Before that, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to watch more videos. Here is Shine LEGGARI Products. It is dedicated to simplifying the epoxy resin industry, which has been seriously overcomplicated and even intimidating for years. Their model is simple, and they aim to sell the industry's most durable and user-friendly epoxy products while providing the industry's most user-friendly installation. As the creators of the original countertop kit, they have designed kits to be the easiest to install on the market. Whether you want the look of high-end marble, natural stone, or concrete, LEGGARI has you covered. Each kit has been designed by the best installers in the industry using the most straightforward techniques. As the inventors of the metallic epoxy countertop kit, these standard kits have become the industry standard for a beautiful high-end epoxy countertop installed by thousands. They provide beautiful marbleized finishes with a plethora of color options and techniques. Here is an amazing PERGO floors. It is more than beautiful and durable, and they are also easy to install. Even if you have never installed a floor before, it's easy to put new floors in your home in less time with just a few simple tools. With PERGO's unique click installation system, a do-it-yourself can install an average room 10 by 12 in about a day and start enjoying it immediately. PERGO flooring can be installed in any room inside the house where the floor is solid and flat. It should not be installed in rooms with sump pumps or floor drains, or in motorhomes, boats, or planes. Please reference product-specific installation instructions for information about installing in wet areas, such as bathrooms with showers or mudrooms, as installation method may vary by product. Some pergola floors can be installed in homes without climate control, when proper installation precautions are taken. Your bathroom is not just a functional room, it is your personal space, the most intimate room in your home, and much more than just a place where you brush your teeth and wash your hair. Here is covered tiles with masking tape to prevent the drill slipping, and tap plugs 2 to 3 mm into the tile to avoid cracking. Then mark the end of the pipes. You can mark slightly back from the line to allow for the filter washer, and use a pipe slice to trim the pipes. After that, fit the covers and retaining screws, and adjust the covers to ensure they are in level. The position of this shower is best for the tallest person in your home. Let's check out Castelli Romani. In modern construction, pre-assembled stones are widely used in particular for external cladding. The multiple color solutions and the uniqueness of each piece of natural stone make the works truly unique. The pre-assembled stone is also used for interior coverings as elements to furnish spaces with very little thickness. It is modern and easy to apply for excellent results.